Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goals on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. After the menu opens, find the Samsung Health icon, it looks like this, and tap on it to enter. Here, find this option with the steps and tap on it. Now scroll down, and at the bottom we have the option called Set Target. Tap on it, and here we can change the step goal or goals by swiping up and down on the screen. Adjust it to your liking, and once you're done, tap on Done button. And if you scroll up, you will see that the goal changed. And then you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the step goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.